Now, about whether these killers are coming from anywhere, any neighboring country, we shall find out. For us, we know we are very patient. We don't panic. You don't remove a jigger by cutting off the toe, but you must be patient, and you go for the jigger without damaging the tissue. We shall work patiently and get the jigger. This is a jigger which is, they introduce now mobile phones. Hello. Now, when you ring a mobile phone, you ring one person. Meanwhile, the criminal is running. We use radios. We in army and security, we use radios. Radios are enduru, like in the village. When you make enduru, the whole village hears. So the radio informs everybody. The mobile phone informs only one person. So the police, please, give up the use of phones within the force. By the end of 9 months from today, most of the elements of the smart and safe city will be in place. Narrow so question of the hostility by some elements to poor General Odongo at the barrio of Chirumira. This was done by these indisciplined opposition members from Kampala, because the father of Chirumira is a member of the NRM. The whole family is NRM. Chirumira was a very loyal police officer. Now these hooligans from Kampala here went to disturb the funeral, but we didn't want to cause an incident there, so it's good that it was handled the way it was handled. But it is true that there is hostility towards the police, because the public rightly knows that the police had been infiltrated by Kawukumi. You remember what I called it, Kawukumi? Emungwe. Banana weavers. So we are weeding them out.